Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be going over how to copy and move points in Takeoff. So as always, let's load up Takeoff and let's get started. So with counts or points, I notice a lot of people tend to just go through, just make their clicks for their points, and then they run into the issue of, oh man, that one's screwed up, I need to change it. Well, the problem is you can't just select one. You gotta select all of them to delete them. So I'm gonna show you how I found the easiest way to get through that, and maybe it'll help you. So what I typically do is I'll make my point. So right there, I'll go to move and copy. I'll hit control. And if it's an easy drawing like this, I'll do the whole entire row like this. And then you can highlight them all, or you can just highlight each one because now it's its own point. It's not connected with any of the others. But that still also allows you to highlight or multi-select all of them. Hit move and copy, then you can bring them all the way down. And I've just found this to be the easiest way, and I just find it to be a helpful tip and trick that I've learned along the way. As always, like and subscribe, and if you want me to do a video on a certain subject, just put it down in the comments. I'd be happy to do it. Alright, bye.